foot or less. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 76 degrees, off Cleveland 77 degrees, and off Erie 77 degrees. The urgent weather message for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. The tornado warning for northern Hancock County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warnings has moved north of Hancock County. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. The urgent weather message for the following county: Wood, Ohio. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Wood County. At 8:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dashler, Oregon, 13 miles southwest of Bowling Green, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. A wall cloud and funnel cloud was reported near Dashler. The storm is moving into Wood County. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicates. The urgent weather message for the following county: Defiance, Ohio. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Defiance and northeastern Paulding counties. At 8:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Defiance, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Defiance around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brunersburg, urgent weather message for the following county: Wood, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Wood County in northwestern Ohio until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over western Oregon, 8 miles west of Bowling Green, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. A funnel cloud was reported near Custar with this storm, and the storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Hazard: tornado.